One Small Engine. Today we're working on a StihlMS271 chainsaw. Customer brought in, they were cutting the stump out of the ground and looking at the chain and stuff. Looks like they were cutting more dirt than stump. But anyways, there's no oil in the chain no more, so they either got it hot and it burnt up the oiler, or they got some clogged up. So we'll tear it apart and see if we can't get it fixed. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we'll go ahead and take the side cover off. These bolts on these steels here, they're 3/4 inch. Now on these bars here, these holes right here, there's one on this side, and there's one on this side that's plugged up, but that's the holes that the oil comes down and lubricates the chain. You want to blow some air in there and make sure it's nice and clean. This thing here is full of dirt. Yeah, we got that all nice and cleaned out. As you can see, when the oil's supposed to come out, it's just really dry, so more than likely the oiler's out. So we'll go ahead and pop this clutch off. Little C clip here. And a washer. And you're supposed to slide right up. And here's the needle bearing. Make sure that's in good shape. Well, you can see how blue that clutch is. It got hot. I believe that's a 3/4 inch. Okay, we'll go ahead and pop that clutch out of there. And this is like reverse thread. So if you act like you're tightening up a normal bolt, you're actually taking this one off. And just make sure all the springs are all connected and everything. Pop that cover off. Now we gotta take this plate off. Make sure I got all the screws out. There we go. Here's your oil pump right here. And this thing here catches your clutch sprocket, and that's what spins that around to pump the oil. Looks like we gotta take your clutch brake out to get to that screw over there. So we'll take that screw out. Pull it out of there and unhook it from that over there. Now we can get to our 2 screws over there. Okay, let's take them 2 screws out for the oil pump. Hook the oil tube there. And pop that out. And there's your little pump right there. Here's our new replacement one. Go ahead and put the 2 screws back in there. Hook up the oil line. Now we'll reinstall our chain brake mechanism. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. I'll put the screw back in to hold it into place. Make sure it snaps into place. I'll go ahead and put these screws back in for this plate. I'll put our new little pump pin thing in. Put just a little bit of WD-40 on that. And on this needle bearing, we're just going to put just a dab of grease on that. White lithium. Just put a little bit on it and lube that. I got that needle bearing lubed. Okay, on this, make sure you put a little bit of oil on that needle bearing, put it on. Then on this clutch, there's like a little indentation right here. Well, that pump bar, you find that little bar that sticks out. And I'll put that little washer on there. Put a little C-clip back in here. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna start up. I'm just gonna let it idle because it's not good on these, having these clutches spin with nothing on there. Probably have the brake on there too, but we're just gonna make sure oil comes out of that little thing right there before we put it back together again. Here we got oil in the tank. Bubbling out of there. See where the oil's bubbling out of there? So oil pump's working now, so all we gotta do is put the bar back on and I'm gonna sharpen the chain, and that's how you replace your oiler. See how nice and oily that chain is now? Just gotta tighten it a little bit. Well, that's a good oil pump working right there. Anyways, appreciate you watching the video, and anyways, you guys have a good afternoon. Bye.